A friend of me challenged me to create a chatbot that creates chatbots. Now, it's sometimes difficult to imagine the possibilities of wrapping function invocations inside of an LLM, and I believe this is a pretty good use case. So let's do just that. But before we do that, let me show you what we are doing. If you go to iniro.io and you go to the bottom of this page and you fill out your name, your email address and your website here, then basically you get a free 7-day trial AI chatbot sent to your email address after some 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to use my Thomas Test Cloudlet, which contains this AI agent type called ChatGPT search. And then inside of that AI type, I'm going to create the ability to write stuff such as create a free demo AI chatbot for me, at which point I want this LLM to come back to the user and ask, sure, give me your name, your email address, and what website you want to crawl in order to create your demo AI chatbots. So that is the purpose. That's what we're building. So now let's first go into this Cloudlet because I'm going to need secret value here, which I can find in this guy here. And let me just copy this entire section to make it simpler. And go into create, HyperID, modules. Let me create a new module, call it bot creator. And inside of this, I want to create a new workflows folder. Whoops, that became a file. I want to create a workflows folder. And then inside of workflows, I want to create a new hyperlambda file called create.bot.ho. And then from within this file, I basically just want to paste this guy, creates a new chatbot creates a new demo AI chatbot. This function creates a new AI chatbot that works for 7 days. Creates a new free AI demo chatbot that works for 3 days. So we need URL, name, email. We can drop reCAPTCHA and that stuff. And we can probably drop the description too and just write type :public. And then we just go down here and we do http://post https://iniro.io/magic/modules/white label/create-bot. And now I want to parameterize this guy, and I want to have a payload arguments, add payload, get nodes, arguments, and then I also, in addition to that, want to have a secret. And then if and not MTE LT How many minutes was that? 3. Let's see what happens now. URL. And it seems to succeed. So now let's wrap this thing inside of our machine learning type, machine learning. Actually, before we do, let's go to HyperID, make sure we mark all of these guys as mandatory. mandatory argument being the website you want to crawl for RAG training data. The user's full name, mandatory. The user's email address, mandatory. Save, go to machine learning, go to training data, filter on our AI ChatGPT search guy here, add function, create bots, install, save, close, go back to types, vectorize, one snippet, front end, I want to create a free 7-day demo AI chatbot. URL, okay, URL, let's use billionaire.org. My full name, Thomas Hansen. My full email, Thomas plus 1234 and there we go.